Good evening, friends. Most of us think that why the India China are not able to sort out the LAC issues even after having dialogues on the same for almost 3 to 4 decades, starting from 1981 to 2019-20. And when a defined LAC will be there and when it will be a reality, I think it's unknown. And my research says why it is so. And I can put my research on the same topic in just 3 points. First of all, with all the territorial issues China has resolved with Russians or with Central Asian countries or with Laos or Vietnam or other countries, they have gained at least 50 to 60% of their claimed territory. Number one. Number two, when the other side is weaker, they resolve it faster like they did it in Central Asia, and you can understand the weaker side will definitely give them something what they want and the things will be resolved. And third and most important point, that they put some conditions, like let me give you a very good example and you will understand everything. Dai Bingo, who served as China's boundary negotiator with India from 2003 to 2013, that is for one long decade, told Chinese media in year 2017, and he said, I am using his exact words, translation of his exact words, if the Indian side takes care of China's concern in the eastern sector of their border, the Chinese side will respond accordingly and address India's concerns elsewhere. He also added, and this is very important to understand, that disputed territory in eastern sector of China-India boundary, including Taiwan, is inalienable from China's Tibet in terms of cultural background and administrative jurisdiction. You can understand what he is saying. And his interview was published in Chinese media just ahead of India-China strategic dialogue held in Beijing, and which was co-chaired by then the Foreign Secretary of India, Mr. S. Jaishankar, who is now the Foreign Minister of the nation. And Indian officials said Dai's proposal is neither practical nor possible for India to accept, considering that Tawang is an integral part of Arunachal Pradesh and has sent representatives to parliament in every election since 1950. So now I think you must be understanding. First day, they resolve the issues of border with those countries from whom they gain the kind of territory they want, and every time they have resolved the issue with any country, they have got at least 52 to 60% of their claimed areas. Number one. Number two, if the other party is very weak, they will definitely resolve very fast, because you can understand that the weaker party will give up and give the land to China. And they put such conditions like they want Taiwan from India, which is impossible for a strong nation, a sovereign nation like India. So and this person, Mr. Dai Bingo, he is ex-officer. Definitely he must be a senior comrade of the Chinese Communist Party. So whatever he was saying in Chinese media was told to him by the government of China or by the Communist Party. Without that, he won't go to media, and he can't go to the media, and media won't publish him. And with just ahead of such an important meeting with India, so they put conditions, and that is the reason I am saying that disengagement is going on in Ladakh. and it's good that disengagement is going on, but disengagement doesn't mean that LAC issue is going to be sorted out soon, because see, intentions of China is not good with any country. They want to grab the land, and with this nationalistic government, this is impossible. Thank you.